10:17 now on GMT. A beautiful start to the day so far.
Absolutely. A few showers and storms that are starting to form, actually,
Sure.
Closer to the Kentucky border. So some of us seeing some sunshine, some of us seeing a little bit thicker clouds. Most of us are dry, but at least a few of us are starting to see some downpours, a couple lightning bolts as well. Overall, that will continue to grow in coverage. Not over the Smokies right now, though, almost completely sunny. Looking back towards the north, some of those cumulus clouds way out in the distance, but visible satellite really showing the thicker clouds starting to move in from west to east. Thickest clouds are where we have some of those showers and storms up closer to the Kentucky border. Really starting to see these pop up very quickly. A few showers even right on the Anderson, Knox County border up in central Union County, but the storms are up closer to the Kentucky border right now. Again, these will continue to grow in size. Between Williamsburg and Corbin here in Bell County, Knox County, Kentucky, just on the north side of Jellicoe along I-75 as well, and then back into McCreary County, Kentucky, and Scott County there, just on the west side of Oneida. So just very random, isolated to spotty showers and a few rumbles mixed in. 6 predictors showing most of us on the drier side through about noon or so. It's really as we get to 1, 2, 3 o'clock. That's when I expect the coverage to really start to grow. A few stronger storms possible as well, with typical summertime strength, at least 30, 40 mile per hour wind gusts as some of these storms move through your area, maybe collapse, a little bit of a downburst. And then between about 7 and 9, we'll really see that dwindle, those storm chances dwindle. After sundown, by an hour or two, should be completely gone, should clear out pretty quickly as well. We do still technically have a level 1 out of 4 flash flood risk. Really just any storms that form are going to be slow moving, could produce a lot of heavy rainfall, and some localized spots could definitely see some ponding or localized flooding, very similar to what we've seen all week in the general terms of the pattern. Otherwise, it's a very hot day today. Mid to upper 90s is our peak heat index this afternoon, dropping into the upper 60s, low 70s, so rinse and repeat overnight lows. The other thing that we're going to repeat is our chance for some reduced visibility in terms of fog, with how much moisture is in play. If we clear out quickly enough and cool to our saturation point, aka dew point, I do think we can see at least a little bit of patchy fog. A little lower storm coverage tomorrow will keep us even hotter, close to 90 degrees for a lot of us. About a third of us or so still do pick up a couple of showers or storms. Better opportunity for some stronger storms is going to be east of the I-75 corridor. Really, I'm thinking Smokies and eastward into North Carolina. So a low end level 1 out of 5 severe weather risk from the Storm Prediction Center. Damaging wind gusts, 50, maybe 60 mile per hour wind gusts would be the primary concern there. So a lot of moisture through the environment through the weekend, but really starts to dwindle as we head into Monday. Notice it's kind of more in the medium category with those greens. Cooler colors, don't mean cooler temperatures by any means. Definitely be a hot and steamy day Monday. But notice quickly, by Tuesday, Wednesday, into even Thursday, I'm playing this through much of the week, those moisture values really start to ramp back up. We're talking about those oranges and reds returning, which means moisture values return and our rain chances do start to ramp back up. So Monday, a very hot and steamy day. Looks like our relatively driest day of the 7-day. And then it's not going to be a washout, won't rain all day long every day for the next 7 days, but some of them could be locally heavy. So we'll keep a close eye on that through the week, Austin.
Well, Theo, thank you.